Hello, good morning, dear student. You're most welcome in today's class. As we have discussed spelling blanks in today's live class, and we will discuss here the same. And you are seeing on your mobile screen few words and blanks. You have to fill these blanks by using only two pairs. Yes, it is very easy task to complete these blanks by using these blanks. Okay, I will explain you here. So here you can see the letter 1 is T, R and two blanks. Yes, that is trees. You can write here T R double E as trees, and this will be sleep, S L double E P, sleep. And next is please, here will be E A. You have to just fill these two words, double E or E A. So here come will be, it is please, P L E A, please. And now you can see here B double E P, beep. Okay, and next is T and two blanks, so this is tease, E A, tease. And next you can see here F, two blanks, and so it will be F double E T, feet. And next is yes, E A, E A, and it became teach. No, M double E T, meet, as I am meeting here on this YouTube video, and teach as I am teaching here on YouTube video. Okay, my dear students, so come to the next. Here I answered also here for your complimentary. You can note down from here by pausing this video. You will pause this video here and will note down these spelling. Okay, now come to the next. No, here are few another task for you, that I have exampled for you some. So what you will do here, there are two circle is there. Okay, there are two circle. No, first circle is for double E and second for EA. Here you will note down all word using containing double E, 4, 5 and so on. At least 10 words you will be right here, and there is no need to make a circle, just you can draw like this. You can write like this, means double E and EA. You can write here C, and you can write here plea, and you can write here peel, you can write here real, and like this you will write like this. Okay, in this way you will complete at least 10 words of this and 10 words of this. So see in your book or newspaper and search at least 10 words which are containing double E or EA. Okay, in this way this task is complete. You will complete this in your notebook. Yes, no, see the next. Here are few pictures which you are seeing on your mobile screen, and by seeing the picture you have to answer something. If I ask you where the children are racing the boats in the picture number 2, yes, if I ask you where the children boating in picture number 2, then you will answer me the children are boating in the river. So here are few questions which have to do. First question, what is happening in picture 5? What is happening in picture 5? So this is picture 5, this is picture 5. So you can answer like this: a girl is diving into the river, or you can write a girl is diving into the water. It is happening, this girl is diving into the river, this girl is diving into the water. You can write like this. So I answered also here, the girl is diving into the water. So come to the next, what is Mohan practicing in picture 4? Picture 4, where is picture 4? He is practicing to jump. He is practicing to jump. You can see here in picture 4, you can see he is practicing he is practicing to jump. No, see the next. Where are the boats racing in picture 2? Where are the boats racing in picture 2? So you can answer, the boats are racing in the river. Yes, the boats are racing in the river. You can see here, you can see the boats are racing in the river. Now come to the next. What are the boys doing in picture 1? Where is picture 1? Yes, एक्चुअली इसमें बॉयज़ नहीं है, इस पिक्चर में क्या है ना, बॉयज़ रनिंग कर रहे हैं. सो आप उसको आंसर कर सकते हो, ये पिक्चर में से वो बॉयज़ इनविजिबल हो गए. ओके, सो what are the boys doing in picture 1? So we will answer like this: the boys are running on the ground. Yeah, you can answer only up to here, or you can answer only up to here. The boy are running. The boy are running. If you want to add this, then you can add, and if you don't want, then you can don't add. Then you don't add. Okay, it is your choice. So come to the next. What are the girls doing in picture 6? Answer: they are swimming in the pool. You can see here in picture number 6, the girl are swimming in the pool. The girls are swimming in the pool. So my dear students, in this way we have completed this class, and you all are requested to complete your homework and submit me timely at right time, and give your attendance daily. If any students is absent continuously 3 days, then I will submit that particular student's name to principal sir, and principal sir will take actions accordingly. So it is compulsory that you have to submit your work, you have to give attendance regularly. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.